Observe my left versus my right eye. I applied similar liner but slightly altered the technique, and boy did that make a difference. Hi everyone, it's Smita. Welcome back. If you struggle with applying eyeliner on hooded eyes or monolids, then you'll love this technique that I'm going to be showing you today. If you enjoy makeup and would like to learn step by step, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And now without further delay, let's begin. While I've shown you several different ways to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes, here's one that'll not only give you a lift, but it'll also make your eyes appear bigger and brighter. Just to recap, hooded eyes are when you have that extra skin on top of your lid, so it covers your lid. When you apply eye makeup, it may not be visible because it's hiding under the hood. Depending on how much lid space you can see, you can have partially hooded eyes or fully hooded eyes. While there are absolutely no rules to makeup, there are ways to work with your eye shape, your face shape, just to complement your features. For example, I'm going to be using the Ofra liquid liner to apply eyeliner with a wing like we usually do. I'm going to gently stretch the skin in the outer corner, otherwise I won't be able to see my lid space, and I'm going to pull out a wing. And then I'm going to line my lash line and join it to the wing. As you can see, when the hood is lifted, it looks fantastic. But when I relax my lid, the liner looks completely different. The hood has literally eaten up that wing in the outer corner. Again, here's the hood lifted, looks fantastic, and then when I release it, it's gone. It's that extra skin that's sitting on top of your lid that's distorting the wing and the eyeliner. While that happens, I want to let you know that hooded eyes are not a problem. It's common and normal to have hooded eyes, but there are ways to work with every eye shape, including hooded eyes. Some of us also like to use an eye pencil in the waterline. So let me go ahead and use the Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever in my upper and lower waterline, and I'll show you how it looks. Sometimes I do use a black kohl liner in my waterline depending on what kind of eye makeup I'm doing. But for an eyeliner like this, as you can see, it really weighs it down and it makes my eyes appear smaller. In fact, as compared to my right eye, no liner at all makes my eyes look so much more brighter than the eyeliner on my left eye. So if I want a similar look without weighing my eyes down, how can I get it? I like to use a black eyeshadow instead of an eyeliner because it's much softer. This one is called Let's Do It by ColourPop. Instead of using it in my waterline, I will go just under my waterline. I'm going to start in the outer half of my lower lash line, stamping it very close to my waterline, just beneath it. And then I'm going to take it all the way up to the outer corner, extending my lower lash line. And if you observe, because I did not take it in my waterline, it has created that small gap in my lower lash line, making my eyes appear bigger. And I'm taking that liner above my hood. Looking straight in the mirror, I'm going to join that outer wing to my upper lash line, completely avoiding the hood because the line itself is so thin, it's not going to interfere with the hood. And then I'm going to continue to stamp that black eyeshadow in my upper lash line, very close to the lashes. So that way it looks like a thick lash band. And now I'm going to show you some magic. Do you see the difference? We've pretty much done something similar on both eyes, but we've altered the technique a bit. And you can see what a difference it makes. I'm going to be using this black eye pencil by Makeup Forever only in my upper waterline. Otherwise, that skin in the upper lash line will show. Now, this Aqua Resist pencil by Makeup Forever does not transfer for me, so I can just use it in my upper waterline and it'll not get to my lower waterline. And for the outer half of my lower waterline, I'm going to be using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Nude Eye Pencil. You can also use a white eye pencil, but that's a bit overpowering for me, so I prefer nude. Again, let's compare the two sides quickly. Both eyes are relaxed, but my left eye looks more weighed down than my right eye, just because of the way we applied the eyeliner. It's amazing, a simple tweak in a technique can completely change a look. I like to finish this look with some mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm using the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Level Up mascara. This is by ColourPop. I wanted to focus just on the eyeliner today to show you the difference. Of course, you can finish this eye look the way you prefer. You can start with an eye makeup look and then use the eyeliner. You can use any color eyeshadow. You can use false lashes. You can do whatever you want with this liner look. Sometimes it's the simplest of the techniques that make the biggest difference. Sometimes it's the simplest of the techniques that make the biggest difference. And here's the proof. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. Please comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to watch more videos like these, and let me know what else you'd like to watch by commenting below. And stay tuned for an exciting playlist of all the hooded eyes tutorials that I've made so far. I've curated everything in one playlist, and it's very educational. You'll find it right after this video in the end screen. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.